It's only when you don't understand your power, when you've been taught to hate your power, that you'll be given a throne, but you choose to go and sit on the floor. A man are the real prodigal son, but the man who ignored his indiche to go and wear the green apron in the chosen and eat pig shit, but then remembers his royalty, the son of Ogu, and returns to his mother's abundant loins to assume his throne. Some people who have been in Igommo long before you will be like the younger brother Fuzi, Udiawele Dakwasege, Ime ordinary Idokwachi, ordinary, right? He's wondering why he's not the one who the feast is being laid out for. Return to your father's you put that stupid green apron. Sorry to say. I mean, not very sorry. Holy Ezumez is an Igofo tutorial. It's also a tool to help you remember your dreams. And it's a meditation tool. And remember to ask me Igbo spirituality questions. I'm very accessible. I answer all the questions. Ask me about Afa, ask me about rituals, ask me about how to align and how to appease with your own mom.